Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is hiring worldwide and is mostly going to be responding to emails and those website chats. But real quickly, before we dive in, I just want to say to all of my viewers that are outside of the United States, I have added an international category on my website where I'm trying to post more worldwide work from home jobs. So keep a check on the website if you are outside the United States. Sometimes it's harder for me to find those as that is not where my experience is, but I am trying to be more helpful and provide more job leads to everyone. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company The Studio. They have 65 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button and share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. The Studio is hiring a customer success representative for their chat. They say you can work anywhere: Philippines, Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, South Africa, United States, literally anywhere. This is going to be an independent 1099 contractor position. But at The Studio, their vision is to empower individuals regardless of their expertise to be able to unleash their creativity and bring unique ideas to life through production of custom products. So they help people be creative and create custom products to be able to sell. They are going to be a fast-paced startup environment, but they're looking for somebody to act as a liaison or a go-between between the customers and their in-house production team. You're going to provide consultative services to the customers to help them complete their order and handle all issues and inquiries to ensure a smooth sailing for them to order their custom products. So you're going to follow up with them mainly through chat, the website chat, or through emails, but you'll make any outbound necessary phone calls as needed, just helping build relationships with those customers and help keep them loyal, generating those repeat sales. You'll address all post-sales concerns and customers through that online ticketing system. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no degree is needed, but they want somebody who has a passion in building a career in sales and customer service environment. Of course, even though they're hiring worldwide, you've got to have a strong written and verbal communication skills in the English language, have great people skills, and be a problem solver, solution oriented. Of course, you've got to be able to work US business hours, and you do have to have your own computer. Now, because they are hiring worldwide, pay is going to be dependent on all those factors, including location and experience, and they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, again, give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.